Sensitivity analysis. What is sensitivity analysis? Sensitivity analysis helps you figure out which factors, like cost, sales, etc., can change a project's outcome. It shows how sensitive the results are to changes in these factors and which variables matter most. Next, we'll talk about how to conduct a sensitivity analysis. Step 1 will be to choose your key variables. Pick the most important factors that could affect your project's success. For example, what happens if costs are higher or sales are lower than expected? Then set ranges for each factor. Corporate Finance Institute gives a great example of a business that sells Christmas products. A worker at the store knew that with the holidays upcoming, more people would be in the mall where the store was located. He was able to compare the increase in percent of people that came to the mall the year prior and was able to use that to project what sales could be this year for any increase in population. Step 2, set a range of variables. In this step, you should consider the possibilities of low, middle, and high estimates for each variable. Then relate those to best, worst, and most likely scenarios. This will allow you to fully understand the outcome of any variable that you place and let you prepare accordingly. Step 3 will be to test. Here you're going to test the variables. Bill Russell from Cube Software says you can think of it as fact-checking specific situations. Change one variable at a time and review how these changes affect the project outcomes. This will show which factors make the biggest difference in the project outcomes and will help you to identify which factors come with the most risk and least risk. Step 4 is to analyze the results. Rank the variables by their risk or by how much they affected the project's outcome. Ranking the variables will provide an organized outlook of the potential from these variables. From here, it will be clear on which scenarios or factors that focus needs to be placed in order to optimize business efficiency. Now, incorporating risk into capital budgeting. In order to incorporate risk into capital budgeting, you can use the sensitivity analysis to play out scenarios and project results. Use your real-life business numbers to project profits with the risk analysis conducted in the previous slides. This will reflect the level of risk associated with the project and can help to understand how different variables affect the outcome of the project. With the risk-return trade-off, this is where you will determine if the amount of risk is justified by the expected return or if the potential downsides of the risks outweigh the returns.